Maybe you've seen those fancy investment apps advertised online, promising to make you a financial guru with a few clicks. But with so many options, where do you even begin? Especially if you're outside of North America? Today, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple, a popular investment platform. We'll crack open the question, can you use Wealthsimple no matter where you're parked on the globe? Let's face it, navigating the world of finance can be intimidating. There's a million rules, regulations, and hoops to jump through depending on your location. So, before we get swept away in investment jargon, let's establish the ground rules. Wealthsimple is a Canadian company, and that's where things get interesting. They're currently licensed to operate solely within the Great White North. That means, to open an account and start investing, you gotta be a resident of Canada, with a valid Canadian visa, or be a citizen. Now, hold on a minute, Globetrotters. Don't hit that unsubscribe button just yet. Here's why this might not be a complete deal breaker. If you're a Canadian citizen living abroad, there's a bit of a gray area. Wealthsimple can't hold accounts for non-residents, but that doesn't necessarily mean you're out of luck. It's best to contact their support team directly to explore your options, especially if you have existing investments with them. But what about everyone else watching from around the world? Fear not, financially curious friends. The beauty of the investment landscape is its vastness. There are tons of reputable platforms out there catering to international users. Here's the thing, while Wealthsimple might not be your cup of tea this time around, their limitations can be a springboard to explore other avenues. It's a chance to learn more about investment regulations in your home country and find a platform that aligns with your financial goals. Remember, responsible investing is all about building a strategy that works for you. So, use Wealthsimple's limitations as an opportunity to delve deeper into the world of international investment options. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.